Hello students, in continuation with function chapter, we are now going to the recursion. Recursion is also a kind of function which execute many times as the condition given by the user comes true, then the statement under this recursive function will execute many times. Now I am giving an example of recursive function. Suppose I want to calculate factorial of a given number, then we have to define a function def fact an argument an integer number a, then for a for loop will be used for I in range starting from 1 up to a. What you have to done now, a equal to a into I, as we know that the factorial is the recursive multiplication of a number below this number up to 1. So I have given a formula or a statement as a into 1 a into I value of I will be generated by the range function starting from 1 to a minus 1. So a will be multiplied by 1. What will be the result will be assigned by variable a. Again this updated value will be again multiplied by the next value of I means 2, then updated value of a into 2 will be again assigned by the variable a. So we have to take return now, return a. This is complete definition of fact function. Now come to the main program. X is a number, integer number, input at the runtime, enter any number. Now we will call fact function. To call fact function we have to use print function, then we will write fact function within print function. So fact argument will be the number supplied by the user at the runtime, which is x. Now you can run this program. I have given here number 5, then output will be 120. Again I am giving a number and execute this program. I am giving a number 6, answer will be 70, 20. In this way, this statement execute many times up to a minus 1. We have given condition that this statement should be executed from starting from 1 to a minus 1. Now we come to the another example, which is a Fibonacci series. As we know that Fibonacci series had two terms 0 and 1, and we want to print number of Fibonacci series terms in a list. So to do this we have to define a function fib, and argument will be n is the number of terms which will be displayed at the time of execution of the program. Now we have to declare two variables which are the first terms of the Fibonacci series 0 and 1. As we know that Fibonacci series has two first terms 0 and 1, so we have assigned these variables a comma b equal to 0 comma 1. Another variable is fib terms. Fib terms is a list in which the terms will be stored in this list. So first term a comma b will be unchanged and updated terms will be appended to this list. So we will use append function. Now come to the another line. We have to use a for function for I in range starting from 1 up to n minus 1. Why we given the final condition or stop condition as n minus 1, we will discuss later when the output will be displayed. So now we have to write statement of this for loop. So we will write here a comma b equal to value of a value of b will be assigned to variable a, and a plus b value a plus b value will be assigned to variable b. When we see that the new term of the Fibonacci series is the sum of the last two terms of the Fibonacci series. So we have done here this by this equation. Now we have to update fib terms list as fib terms dot append is a ready-made function used to append terms to the list or element to the list. Here b term is always changing as a plus b, so we are appending the list by term b. Now we will take return whole list, which name is fib terms. Fib terms, this is the complete definition of the Fibonacci series function. Now x is a variable which which is indicating here integer input, enter number of terms to which we want to display the Fibonacci series. Now we will call the function fib within print function fib, and argument will be x. Now we can run this program. I am giving here number 8. The term are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 30. In this way, we are looking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms has been displayed in the list of the variable fib terms. So you can try another program, and you may understand very easily by the help of this type of program. So try it at home